this video in 4K. So, are you wondering how a set of Freedom Performance True dual headers and slip-on shark tail mufflers sound on your Indian touring? You've definitely come to the right place. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I thank you for checking back in. So in this video, I give you a sound comparison between the Indian Thunderstroke Stage 1 headers and mufflers and the Freedom Performance True duals and shark nose mufflers. If you get some headphones, it's definitely beneficial for hearing the difference. And real quick, make sure you check out our free video we have on this channel on how to install a complete aftermarket header and muffler system on your Indian touring. We also have a video on how to install a Power Commander 5 EFI tuner on your Indian touring. And if you appreciate this completely free tutorial video and all the free videos on this channel, you can support us. You can help us keep the lights on. I will put affiliate links in the description below to the Freedom Performance exhaust you're going to hear. We also paired it up with a Power Commander 5 EFI tuner. No additional cost to you, but if you click through and make a purchase, we do get a small kickback. Again, it helps support this channel. All right, with that said, what do you say we take a listen? But before we do, real quick, make sure you smash that subscribe button and bell icon every time those are hit. Another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you part of it. Yeah, that was pretty funny because Brian's trying to talk on the phone.